Yo, what's good? Yo, what's poppin'? It's the Warren Familia. What's good, y'all? So look, we just pulled up at Jazzandtae house again, and we're kind of like feeling in the mood of being prankful. So we went to go pick up a 2019 G-Wagon.
Yes.
Brand new, and we're gonna surprise Jazzandtae with a brand new car.
We're gonna lie though.
We not gonna lie though. We gonna give it to him.
Oh.
Should we give it to him? Cause we're gonna give it to him. So when they come out here, we gonna go in there, we gonna ask them, yo, what's good, y'all? How y'all feeling? You know, be like, y'all, come outside, man. We got a big surprise for y'all. So y'all stay tuned, be ready, cause y'all know when we come hard. You feel me? So yeah, man, we got the red interior. I know Jazz gonna love it.
Gonna love it.
I got the red, all the red shit. So it's gonna be hard.
The cute part is that the truck is white.
Yeah. So y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see it as soon as they come out here. We're gonna surprise them with a brand new car, and it's just gonna be lit. So y'all stay tuned. I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all, so we're at the door. We're about to go in here and we're about to surprise them with a brand new 2019 G-Wagon. Custom made in the inside.
It's beautiful, y'all. So I know they're gonna be so happy. Look, the baby's happy because the belly button's poking out.
Ew. Ew.
They don't even know what's coming home.
I know, right? They don't know nothing, do they? They just all distorted.
Distorted.
It's like distorted. Distorted.
I got something in my eye. What's goody?
What's the goodie? What up, Lulu?
Yeah.
What's up, Lulu? What's the deal, my boy? How you feeling? What up, though? What up, sis? How you feeling? You alright? Say what's up to the vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Is that my boy?
What's up?
There go my nigga! What up, though? Come down here and say what up to your Saha, nigga.
What's up?
What's the deal? What's the deal, boy? Yes. La vida la loca va a ser un muchacho.
Wait, you can get on.
Hey, come down here. Hey, is Ghetto here? Hey, Ghetto here? Is Ghetto here? Oh, shit. God damn, man. That's what I'm saying.
What did you call his girlfriend?
I said, is Ghetto here?
It's not her name.
Is Ghetto here?
Yo,
Talk
girl.
about your girlfriend.
She here?
Where Ghetto at? Hey, man.
What's goody?
So listen, y'all. Y'all know I love y'all to death. I got a big announcement that I need to make. You ain't that hungry.
Another baby?
You is not that hungry. Man, hell no. Man, hell no, man.
Don't say hell no.
Dang, I'm
I thought it
saying.
was twins or something. You did?
I'm just saying, like, no, where Ghetto? She sleep. All right, man. I really want to Ghetto to come down and be a part of the celebration, but come here. So look, man. Jazz and Ghetto. What? Ghetto. Come here, Ghetto. 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 What up, though? You know you my man's God damn. You and your boyfriend and some clumsy ass motherfuckers, man. Alright, so look, bro. So listen, y'all. Damn.
No, that's you trying to trick me out of me.
Alright, so look, y'all. So y'all know we have to pop out. When we pop out for real. So listen. You know when I ain't seen y'all in a year. Almost a year or a year. So this is what I'm finna do, y'all. I need y'all to walk outside. Please. I need you to put... Come on, man. What's going on, bro? God damn, man. What are you doing, bro? Dang. She talking about pregnancy juices effect. So look, y'all, I need y'all to do this. We're going to walk to the door, all right? When we walk to the door, I want y'all to put your hands over your eyes and follow me. No cheating.
What you know, my nigga? What you got?
Bro, no, it ain't even nothing like... No. Nah, bro. Nah, it ain't even nothing like that. It ain't nothing like that. Nothing like that. I promise. I promise.
Why was you suspicious?
Because I don't want y'all to see what's out there first.
Can I go out there with you?
You gotta wait too.
You gotta wait too, bro.
You don't gotta close your eyes, but they do.
You don't gotta close your
We
eyes,
gotta
but they
close
do.
our eyes, bro. What if I go here and there's a damn snake out there or something, bro?
Man.
I'm trying to do anything, bro.
It might be a little Gucci, but that snake on that collar. You hear me? Do the dog walk. Hey, 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 hey.
You gonna drip me down, nigga?
Bro, I'm saying, I'm finna get you right. But listen though, so let's go. Come on, let's go. Get up, y'all. Cover your eyes for real, bro. Make sure they cover their eyes, Carl.
We get to the door, y'all.
Make sure they cover. Tay, you cheating. I'm not gonna do nothing. For real.
You can't cheat me like that. Don't do me like that. You got that?
All right, got it. All right, come on.
Bro, her lashes is too long, bro. That's why she can't close her eyes. Her lashes
Okay.
is... Her lashes is...
God, Jazz, bro.
Come on, Jazz. I
You
got
about to let her fall
Come.
over?
All right, so look, keep on guiding them over here. Keep on guiding them over here. Keep on guiding them. Keep them looking straight. It's a step coming. Step. Come on. Bring them right here. Bring them right here. Right in front. Right in front.
Bro, if y'all niggas doing something, bro.
Now listen.
I bet not get bit by that.
Man, you ain't gonna get bit by nothing. No, ain't no stuff. What is that? What is that? Okay. Okay. So listen, y'all know I love y'all to death. So y'all know I could not come out here without showing love to my homies and I open up your eyes.
I'm scared.
I bought y'all a brand new 2019 G-Wagon. With the custom inside. Yes, sir. With the custom inside. With the custom inside. You know how I do when I do. Bro, I did it. Bro, I did it. I'm telling you, bro. On my mama. And I knew you was gonna fuck with it. Hey, there you. Yeah. 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 Bro, I swear to God. On me, bro. On me. Bro, I'm not doing none of that, bro. I told you. I told you. You know 100 bands ain't nothing to us, man. Come on, man. Drive your whip. Hold on, rev that engine for me, Jazz. Get in that driver's seat, rev that engine, man. You like it? You like it? Yeah, bro. I told you. I told you, bro. I got you. I told you I had to do that for you, man. I had to do that for you, man. Go ahead. Go rev that engine for me real quick. Yo, what is you doing? What is he doing? Yeah, bro. I told you that. Rev that engine for me one time. It matched the cat. Meow, meow.
Wait, bitch.
Hey, come on, man. Y'all wanna?
Hold on.
Y'all trying to go up the street? Y'all trying to go up the street? Come on. Come on. Let's go up the street. You gotta lift your seat up. Oh, hey, guess what? Guess what? Y'all ain't even see this. Come back here. Come back here.
Another surprise, my nigga.
Come back here.
Stop capping, bro.
Come back here.
What?
And I put the TVs in this thing. I put the TVs in this thing. I put the TVs back there in case, yo, just in case, Tay, you want to go somewhere, I put that TV back there, and you know how I gets to it. Come on, my fault. Let's go, bro. What is he doing, bro?
Why are you in the bag?
Come on, man. You know.
What we about to eat at? Big body.
Yeah, man. Whoa! Whoa! Shit! Hey, now we're a bus down. How today is it like a touchdown? G-Wagon! 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 Hey, G-Wagon! Okay. Hell no. What the fuck is you talking about? Come on, rest this bit. Somebody already stuff open, cause the light on.
What light?
Somebody close the door, y'all.
Somebody, all right, hold on, my fault.
It may be your roof. It may be your roof. Nigga, the roof don't be
Everybody open and close their door.
Is this about?
Unlock the door. Oh,
It was you, baby.
This is not mine.
let me see.
I don't know what's it.
Oh.
They got a tank on.
It got a little tank. It got a little Migo. It got a little tank on. Oh, my bitch is bad in food. Cooking up that for the hood. A nigga just like, what you barking for, bro? That's my fault. Okay. Okay. Mama. Okay. You rocking with this, bro?
I'm rocking with this, bro.
I'm rocking with it, bro. I ain't gonna lie,
The
man.
red in this bit,
We
red.
had to do the red for y'all.
Hold on, y'all. We
Yeah.
gotta pull up to the. You feel me? The gas station still on one.
Okay, say less. I'm with the gas
We
station.
gotta go ahead and go.
I'm
to
with
first
the gas station.
Ride on my mother.
Let's go.
Sunroof.
Yo, bro, you feeling it?
Yes, sir.
Nigga, the whitest.
I'm the best friend in the world, isn't I?
What, you the
Say
my
it,
nigga.
say it.
You the best.
I'm the best friend in the world,
You the
homie.
best nigga in the
Yes,
world, my
sir.
nigga. That's my nigga, bro.
Yeah.
Look, bro,
You
I'm
know
a
I had to
OG
get
for
my
this,
mans
bro.
together. You know it
got a
all
custom
day.
Steering wheel on this bitch.
Bro, I
Oh,
told you I did
red.
everything. I dropped 120 bands on this. I don't play none of that. I don't even play that. Smell it. Python. Smell of
That
Python.
might be Python.
That might be Pythomonium.
Nigga, the fuck? Hard.
That bitch hissing. Say,
Listen, oh, this bitch
say
got
it's
eco
hissing.
mode. He said I need to
Yeah.
stop.
Hell yeah.
Oh, we go back. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, this thing. Okay, little big body. Little big body. Little big body.
Tipsy in this bitch, you feel me, baby?
Babe, you happy we spent the
I'm so
120,000 on this?
happy.
Oh, this
Today.
I'm happy.
Today.
I'm happy for them too, man.
This is real beautiful, real nice
Man,
and red.
everything Gucci, bro.
We could get a big dog if we wanted.
I've been told you that I was gonna do it big for you.
Yes, it's enough space for Louis and
I'm the
another
GOAT.
dog.
Yeah, we can get that.
I'm
done
not
shit
playing
going
no
on, baby.
games,
In the
bro.
pit,
Give me
you know,
some.
Really get that pit bull.
You next, bro.
Cut the ears, baby. You know I love
You
them
next,
niggas,
bro.
blue eye. Nigga.
Ah.
Maybe a blue nose.
Oh, my bad, homie. I got happy. I got a little excited. My bad, homie.
Bro, what is you doing, bro?
homie.
It feel good, baby. I'm
My
trying
bad.
You gotta save gas. It's a big body, baby. This is a big body.
Oh, what are they up here talking about, bro?
Eco mode. We ain't doing that. We saving gas, man.
Yo.
Ooh, look inside that flex of the gas.
I said, oh, let me. Are we about to flex up here? Okay, so let's. How about like?
G-Wagon.
Okay.
G-Wagon.
Okay. 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 Jazz.
Nigga, don't make me. You feel me,
Okay.
nigga? You feel me?
Okay. 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 Okay.
I was trying to get your face.
Did he just try to race us? Don't try to race. Don't try to race. I just got my homie some new car. Don't do that.
Hey, yo, get in the turn.
What's the deal? You like the car? You like the car? Yeah!
G-Wagon.
G-Wagon! G-Wagon! Okay! 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 Okay!
Y'all need to stop. Like,
I'm saying!
y'all need to stop.
Wow!
What's going on here?
Wow! And they looking hard as they about to try to rob Jazz.
We just trying to have some fun. We just trying to have some fun. 2020, we positive.
Yeah, all
2020,
day.
my nigga got G-Wagon.
Hey, all right. What they throwing up? Oh, hell no. Why they throwing that up? They throwing up the foes.
Niggas don't want to bang with the gang. We'll get out of this bitch. You feel me?
What they
Look.
on, man? We all
They
good
on it.
though. We all good.
We gonna go stun at the gas station. You feel me?
About to pull up to the gas station. We'll be right back when we leave the gas station, y'all. Huh? What he do? Oh my God, this nigga stupid.
Oh yeah.
This is. I thought we. Hold on. Wait. No. Stop. Dad. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Real quick.
Hold on.
before we
Wait a
go.
minute. Unlock the door.
Unlock the door.
Yeah.
We got.
Unlock the door. Hold on.
Dang, I'm about to die over
Unlock the door.
We unlocking, nigga. I just got it.
Unlock the door.
here. Dang, right there.
Unlock right there, baby.
Yeah. Hold on. Wait a minute. We can't.
I gotta turn it off.
Hold on. Open up this door for me. I don't know. Presidential suite.
Okay, bro. What's up?
This bitch brand new. Don't get it twisted though. This bitch brand new, bro. Don't do that.
That bitch ain't you.
No.
No, it's brand
Nah, this bitch
spanking
brand-
new.
Hold on, my nigga.
Nah, this bitch brand new.
Alright, try it now.
All right, let me see. Unlock it.
It's unlocked, brother. This lock is unlocked.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now, yeah. Now we all good. No. Hey, we.
It's a little used.
No, we can't go through this
Why not? Why not, my nigga?
because this ain't Charles to go through.
Windows, my nigga.
No, because
Nah, this.
We finna roll the windows. We finna go through this, bitch.
No. Yeah, they can't. It's time to return this.
Return what, nigga? The car? You a bitch. Oh, God. Nigga. I knew you was gonna pull that fuck shit, bro.
No, bro. Bro, wait.
I knew it, nigga.
Bro, wait a minute, bro. Bro, wait. Bro, if you want it. No, I'm saying, no, I'm saying, bro. No, wait, I'm saying, no, wait, listen, bro. If you want it, bro.
100 bands, nigga. We got it all, nigga. I can do this. I can do that, nigga.
Wait. If y'all want to go get it, you crying?
That's mean. I really thought.
Why'd you crying? No.
You got me out here with no shoes on.
No, sis, listen, sis.
My girl crying and shit, bro. This not cool, bro.
Babe, come talk to Tay. Come, who is driving the car? Oh my God, go get your car. Go get your car. No, y'all not. Listen, I did not mean to make her cry, bro. It was just it's an innocent video, bro. You know how we do this, bro.
Bro, take me home.
Listen, wait a minute, listen. Listen, hold on. Don't unlock the door. Let me. Bro, hold on, bro. Listen, bro.
My girl is emotional and shit, bro. You got her crying.
Bro,
we ain't gonna get
no, listen. I did not mean to make you cry, sis. It's just y'all try to take it through there. It was yours until y'all try to get it washed. I mean, I don't know what to say.
You bullshit, bro.
I'm saying, bro, it's just a video.
Do it like that, bad. I got you, bro.
No, it's just a video, bro.
No, my nigga, I got you, bro. Just know that, my nigga.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
I'm on it.
Bro, get out, no. Bro, stop the car. No, you're not driving, bro. You're not driving, bro, because if you fuck this
Oh,
up.
happy day. Oh,
No, none of that.
You trying to play
No.
Bro,
What are you doing? Bro, you gotta make a right. Bro, stop driving so fast. My girl are pregnant, bro. My girl is pregnant.
Oh my God, my knees.
Bro,
My knees.
y'all listen, I apologize. It was just an innocent video. All right?
No, babe, you made them cry.
It's just an innocent video. That's all it was. All right?
You made my girl cry.
If y'all want to go get the car, we can go buy this car. God damn, Tay, I ain't mean to make you cry, Tay.
You know she emotional, bro.
Right, man.
Don't do her like that, bro. It's all good, bro. Just watch your back. That's all I gotta say. Just watch
Bro,
your back.
come on, chill out, bro.
Have eyes in the back of your head, bro. That's all I gotta say.
Come on,
I
bro,
ain't gotta
chill.
Speak no more.
He ain't even yield. She didn't even yield.
She ain't you.
No.
She said, "Come on."
That's all I gotta say. You ain't to go.
Bro, who got to go?
That's
I still got the car.
But it ain't theirs. What the fuck that gonna do? You know?
You don't even know where to go, bro.
Me screaming G
Bro, where I'm going?
That's some hug, bro.
Bro.
G-Wagon.
Bro.
G-Wagon. Yeah.
Y'all not
Bro,
cool,
make sure
bro.
like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, listen, I didn't mean to make Tay cry. Tay, you know you my homie. Jazz, I ain't mean to make you mad, bro, but it's just a video, bro, all right, man?
Have eyes in the back of your head.
All right, say less. I guess we just started up something. This all Essie fault. She always thinking of the worst pranks. You did not think it was true. You a liar.
I just found out right now.
All right, y'all, we out.